Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Tatiana. If you're not, welcome back. So I don't know how the lighting looks in this video simply because I have my ring light temporarily working and I can't see because it's so bright in my face right now. So I can't see the view. But anyways, today we have another box, of course. Today we have our Hippie Butler box. It came in on time. The last one came in late. However, I also uploaded it late and then I accidentally deleted it and re-uploaded it. So if you haven't checked that one out, do check it out. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and start opening up this one. So it did come discreet. So only thing on it is the fragile sticker and surface melt only because there's lighters in here. And then it says HB on the shipping label. And so that's about it. But we're gonna go ahead and jump into it. This is the Butler Box, which I think that's what it's called. And it is $39.99 a month. Yeah, I think so. They have other boxes. They have two below this box, which are just like wraps, and then one is just like rolling like papers. So it don't even come with wraps, it just come with papers. And then I think it comes with a pack of papers, pack of tips, and that's it. And then there's the next level that comes with wraps and papers, I believe. Then there's this one which is a themed box, and then there's one above this, which I think is like $100 and something, and that's like a, I don't know, I don't even know what it's called. It's just a big box. So anyways, when you open it up, of course, like every Hippie Butler box I've gotten so far, it has this green tissue paper here, and then it has a card with the theme on it, and it looks like this month's theme is Sweet Summer Memories. So that's gonna be fun. And on the back it has what's in here. So we are going to just open it up. Okay, so the first thing I see here is wrapped up like this. So I'm gonna assume this is the glass piece, and I'm just gonna put that to the side so we can get into the other goodies. All right, so here we have a pocket ashtray from Raw. So that's cool. So I guess it's just like you can dump your ashes in here and it fits in your pocket. So pocket ashtray, duh. I mean, I don't know why I'm trying to explain it. Okay, so then next we have here, we have a bag. So this is the second box this month that I got a bag in. But this one is a Raw bag on this side, and then on this side it is a Elements. It says Elements, so it's nice. It's like a reusable grocery bag. It's kinda, it's a decent size. It's not too like big, not too small, pretty decent. But yeah, if you like reusable grocery bags, that'll come in handy. I don't really grocery shop, so there's that. Ooh, I just looked at that like an old person. Okay, so next here we have a pack of the Twisted Hemp wraps. And so this is what they look like. It wraps full with, there's 4 in here. Oh, okay, there's the flavor, and that's what I was looking for. So this is Endless Summer Mango / Pineapple. So that's the flavor right there. Ooh, that sounds good. I've never used Twisted Hemp wraps either, so that would be nice. I actually am terrible at rolling. So that might be why I haven't used it. Okay, so then next here we have High Hemp wraps. So these are the CBD plus high hemp rolling paper or wraps. These are in Dutch cream, which I haven't had those before, so those are gonna be interesting. I feel like I'm flying through this box. I'm sorry. Oh, I dropped the paper down there. Okay, so then next we have some Juicy J's Very Cherry. Ooh, okay, rolling papers. I haven't had this flavor before. I've only had grape and pineapple. They actually taste pretty good. They don't taste like medicine, which is low-key what I expected with the cherry. But I am seeing a theme of a lot of fruity flavors here. So definitely fitting in with the summer sweets. Well, I don't know what Dutch cream is. Yeah, I don't know what that is. All right, and so next we have some Elements ultra thin rice papers, and there's 50 in here, and these are supposedly the perfect fold. So here they are. Okay, so where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay, so it's folded already, and that's supposed to be the perfect fold. Okay, so it says instead of being folded in the middle, they're each folded in like the perfect spot for rolling. And if you look at it, you can see that it's not perfectly in the center. So I don't know why I felt the need to show you that. Is this a frisbee? Okay, so the next thing I'm going to pull out, because it just kind of caught me off guard, is this Hippie Butler. I believe it is a frisbee. It kind of looks like a frisbee, like you can throw it and it'll frizz. Yeah, I guess that's what you should. Okay, all right. Oh, there we go. I was wondering where the sticker was for this month. So this is what this month's sticker looks like. It's like a little ice cone with like the Hippie Butler bow ties. That's what it's called. All right, and it looks like I got maybe 3 more things in here. Okay, just shaking it to make sure I didn't miss anything. All right, and so then next we have here is we have the Tiki Tango. Ooh, okay. So these are clear cones also. Not also, because I didn't get any in this box, but these are the Cyclones clear cones. And they supposed to be in Tiki Tango. I haven't used the clear cones yet. I heard they burn really fast or weird or something, so haven't tried them yet, but maybe I'll try this one because it says Tiki Tango, and I just kind of want to know what that tastes like. So all right, and so then next thing that I saw in the box was this. So it looks like a little packer tool. I don't know if that's one of the items that they have included or if that was just part of something else. I don't know. I have to look at the paper. But last but not least, before the glass, is the lighter. And it does not look like a clipper lighter. Okay. There we go. Okay, so it is not a clipper lighter. It is a clear lighter with the purple top. And the liquid is, I don't know if the liquid is, no, I think the glass is yellow. I think the glass has a yellow tint to it with the purple thing. So that's that lighter. There we go. I was like, why isn't it not working? Okay, so when it's on that setting, it doesn't work. But when it's like that, it does. Okay. Gonna have to play with this one because I don't know how to use it. All right, and so then last but not least. Oh, wait, nope, I lied. So then we have the cotton candy mouth or cotton mouth candies. These come in pretty much every box I've seen. I got it in last month's box and I didn't get it in the month before, but that was clearly just a fluke because it was on the paper. So got another pack of these. I actually really like these. They don't taste like I expected them to taste, but they definitely help with dry mouth, and I could use those. So okay, let me just look over this. Okay, so we got the mini flying disc, the transparent neon lighter, cotton mouth candy. Okay, so yeah, that was a raw wood poker. Okay. The Cyclone Tiki clear cones, the Dutch cream hemp wraps, the Elements papers. We got the raw ashtray. We got the Elements Raw Tote Bag, the custom sticker, the Juicy J Cherry rolling papers, and the Twisted Hemp Endless Summer Wraps. Hemp wraps, yeah. Okay, so yes, I got everything. Okay. All right, so now we are onto the glass piece, and I'm really excited. What is it? Oh my God, is it purple? I think it's purple. Okay. Oh no, it's blue. Wait, it's blue. Oh my God, it's too freaking cute. So it's a water pipe. It's supposed to be an ice cream cone, it looks like, or some kind of ice cream like-ish thingy. So this is the mouthpiece at the top. You fill it up. You can see the percolator inside. I didn't see a bowl, but I don't know if that got wrapped up in something. So there's no bowl so far, but that's where the bowl would sit. I'll be back. I'm gonna see if I can find the bowl. Okay, as soon as I moved, like, the thing that it was wrapped up in, the bowl fell out. So, all right, so here's the bowl. It's just a little clear bowl. So the hole is kind of big. I don't know if you can see that. So it's kind of big. You would probably want to grind it up a little chunky so you don't get pieces in your mouth. Okay, so then that's what it looks like. It's not the most, like, on my hand, probably, maybe. It's not the most, like, steady. It looks like, yeah, it looks like the bottom isn't, like, perfectly centered. So, like, this heavy piece is, like, not in the center of the circle, but I'm pretty sure it still sits flat. And I mean, it's a little pipe, so you don't really need it to sit flat. But it doesn't look like an ice cream cone. It's not my favorite, I'll be honest. I don't really like the way it looks. But it does fit the theme and reminds me of ice cream cone. So, hey, I'll take it. But overall, so this month probably isn't my favorite. I think right now my favorite from them has been the alien theme. That one is just, I just love that pipe. That UFO pipe is just everything. But I did like that it did kind of fit the theme. So we got like the little frisbee, so the endless summer comes fit into that. Then we got like, or summer sweets, I guess it's a summer thing. And then we got like all fruity flavor except for like the Dutch cream wraps and stuff. So that definitely fits in the summer sweets theme. So yeah. I'm trying to think of what else was in there, but I can't. So all right, so yeah, so if you want more information on the other boxes, I didn't leave it in the last video just because that video just was terrible. When I uploaded it and then I deleted it and uploaded it again, by like, I forgot a lot of stuff. So anyways, if you want more information on the other 3 boxes that are available for Hippie Butler, I will have that information in the description box below this time. So yeah, but I will see you guys in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.